How to check your activity log on Facebook. So here is what you can do. First of all you have to do is simply open the Facebook app on your mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Now, once in there, tap on the three lines at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once you tap on it, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy. Then, inside settings and privacy, tap on the settings. Then inside settings, all you have to do is scroll down and you will get to see activity log option available there. And once you find it, all you have to do is simply tap on it. Now what you can do is view your posts, comments and likes. You can also see your search history, review your friend requests sent or received and manage your activity, for example delete or hide. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.